Good afternoon, everyone. PUC first year annual examination 2024, subject biology. Today we are discussing the answer key of the biology. Okay, so in the part 1, you have to answer total questions 15. We are discussing from question number 1. All the members of Kingdom Protista are. Kingdom Protista, all members, as we know, they are the single-celled prokaryotes. So here option 1 is right. Second question, male and female gametophytes do not have the independent free living existence in. So in the gymnosperms as well as in case of that is the angiosperm. Suppose in the option except this gymnosperm, angiosperm is there means that is also the correct answer. So here the option C is right, that is gymnosperms. Next, go ahead with the question number 3. A cellular level of the organization is seen in. Cellular level of the organization is seen in, that is a porifera. In the porifera, we will see the cellular level of the organization. In mango, the middle fleshy edible part of the fruit is. So as already mentioned in the question, middle part they have asked. So as we know, the middle part is considered as the mesocarp. So epicarp is the outer one, endo is the inner, middle one is the meso. So clearly they have given in the question only, that is the middle, fleshy and edible part of the fruit, that is mesocarp. Next, go ahead with the question number 5. A large number of scattered vascular bundles are seen in. Scattered vascular bundles are the characteristic features of the monocots. So here they have given monocot root, dicot stem, monocot stem. But this scattered vascular bundle we are going to see in case of the monocot stems, not in the root. So directly the option B and C will be eliminated because they have given that is the dicots. Only we have to focus on the monocots. The right answer is option D, that is monocot stem. Next, go ahead with the question number 6. Ribosomes of the eukaryotes are. Ribosomes of the eukaryotes are always 80s in number. Question number 7. Which structure of the starch molecule forms a blue color with the I2? So as we know, the helical structure of the starch molecule that forms blue color with the I2. So here the answer is option A. Next question, that is question number 8. The period of cell cycle during which synthesis or replication of the DNA takes place in. The question is, in which phase of the cell cycle the synthesis of the replication of DNA takes place. So as directly we know, the S phase is also called as the synthesis phase. So here the replication of the DNA takes place. So the option B is right answer. Next, question number 9. High productivity and better yields in the C4 plants compared to C3 plants is due to. The question is, why the productivity is high in C4 plants as compared to the C3 plants. So as we know, in the C4 plants there is an absence of the photorespiration. So in the NCERT they have given the absence of, but in the options they have given that is the lack of the photorespiration, but both are same. So here the answer will come option C, that is lack of photorespiration. Photorespiration will not takes place in case of the C4 plants. Next, question number 10. Okay, question number 10. If fatty acids were to be respired, they would be first degraded to. If fatty acids are to be respired, then what is the first product they have asked? So as we know, always the fatty acids are going to be first degraded in the form of acetyl-CoA. So here the correct answer is option D. Question number 11. A thin elastic cartilaginous flap that covers the glottis during the swallowing is. During the swallowing, Which one is the thin elastic cartilaginous flap, they have asked. So as we know, it is the direct question. Here the answer will come option D, that is epiglottis. Next, move ahead with the question number 12. Heart is protected by a double-walled membranous bag which is called as the pericardium. All the questions are very direct here. Next, question number 13. Which of the following is a mismatched pair? So they have given that is a 4 in which we have to identify which one is the mismatched pair. So amniotic, they are the bony fishes because they are going to be excrete, that is the ammonia itself. Next, snails, amniotic they have given that is the snails, but the snails they are going to be excrete, that is the urea. So that here option C is the mismatched, and other B and D are the correct only. Ureotelic, that is the mammals are the ureotelic itself. Even that is the uricotelic, the reptiles itself is the uricotelic. Next, question number 14. Which of the following is not true regarding hormones? Which of the following is the not true regarding hormones? So as we know, hormones are the important chemical messengers are there, but they do not act as intercellular messengers. They do not act as intercellular messengers. So here we have to find out that is the wrong option out of these 4. All the 3 options are right, but the option C is the wrong one. So that's why in the 14th question, the option C is the wrong one. Next, question number 15. The releasing hormone produced by the hypothalamus. Releasing hormone that is produced with the help of the hypothalamus is the GnRH. That is the gonadotrophin hormone is there, which is going to be produced with the help of the hypothalamus. Next. So these are the 15 questions we have discussed in the MCQs. Now let us discuss some of the filling blanks they have given in this. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate word or words from those that are given below. So starts with the question number 16. So here the direct elongation of dash leads to the formation of primary root. Okay, the direct elongation which leads to the formation of the primary root. So as we know, in the formation direct elongation, the plumules will come and the radicals will come. The radical will give the direct elongation of, that is the formation of the primary root. The 16th one is the radical here. Okay, here the radical will come. The radical will show the direct elongation to the primary root. Next, question number 17. Frogs take shelter in deep burrows to get the protection from the extreme heat in the summer. In the summers, the frogs will undergo, that is the deep burrowing in case of that is the soils and all. So that type of the sleeping is called as summer sleep. Next, question number 18. Dash is the stage between meiosis first and meiosis second. So as we know, in the meiosis first and meiosis second, there is a small stage which will come, that is called as the interkinesis. A gap which is present between the meiosis first and the meiosis second is the interkinesis. Next, question number 19. A simple gaseous plant growth regulator is. So as we know, in case of that is the plant growth regulators, there are 4 will come. Auxins are there, cytokinins are there, gibberellins are there, and the ethylene. Out of these 4, the gaseous plant growth regulator is always ethylene. So here the 4th one is the ethylene. Next, the beta cells of the pancreas that secretes. The insulin is going to be secreted with the help of the beta cells of the pancreas. So here the 5th one will come, that is insulin. Okay, so we have done with the MCQs plus filling the blanks. Whatever the remaining is there, that is part B, part C and part D. So that you have to, that is long type question answers are there. I hope you all have done good. Thank you.